Can you spot the correct spelling every time? Let's begin the challenge. Comments and let's see who's the spelling champ. Resplendence. Can you spell this radiant quality? Reprimand. Can you spell this biting rebuke? Reticence. Can you spell this discreet silence? Opulence. Can you spell this rich excess? Virtuosity. Can you spell this masterful ability? Aberration. Can you spell this unusual deviation? Acquiescence. Can you spell this silent agreement? Adulation. Can you spell this excessive praise? Altruism. Can you spell this selfless concern? Ambivalence. Can you spell this mixed feelings? Apotheosis. Can you spell this ultimate elevation? Asperity. Can you spell this harsh severity? Assiduous. Can you spell this diligent effort? Austerity. Can you spell this stark simplicity? Bellicose. Can you spell this warlike attitude? Capricious. Can you spell this unpredictable whimsy? Catharsis. Can you spell this emotional release? Chicanery. Can you spell this clever deception? Coalescence. Can you spell this merging unity? Conundrum. Can you spell this puzzling dilemma? Corroboration. Can you spell this supporting evidence?